Hello guys, welcome back again to Angela Chloe TV channel. How you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. Oh, my subscriber, my returning subscriber, my people that comment on my video anytime I upload video, people that like and people that share. I just want to say thank you all. I appreciate you all for what you all have been doing for me. It's not very easy, but you are making things easy for me. I just want to say thank you all. I love you all. I appreciate you all. I will keep on appreciating you all because you all are the best. You all are one in million to me. I love you so much, guys. I so much love you all. I so much appreciate you guys. I love you all. So today's topic, one of my friend, she come send me message say, see wetin happen to one of her sister. Say one boy, she promise her sister marriage, say she go marry her sister. So her sister now, she pack her money make she get, based on say the boy dey tell say, baby don't worry, I will marry you. Baby don't worry, I will be your husband. As in the girl dada now dey begin big now. The girl dada dey begin dey happy say okay, she don already see perfect husband to her. She don already see perfect husband. No only say the man wan just come eat her money, eat im money make comot. So the girl come dey pack all the whole money. She was packing her money. Any money she work, she will pack the money. She will calculate every money she will give to the boy. So the girl no know say this boy so no get am for men to marry. Say he just get another somebody else wey wan marry. So the girl come begin dey happy. Oh, he don see husband oh, he don see good man oh, he don tell me dey fine oh. Come begin dey happy down. You no know say this thing so go change to another thing oh, my people. So the matter come be say now, the matter come big now be say wetin come be the problem be say now the boy now, the girl give the boy money say they wan marry. The boy say make find 10,000 euro come make dem marry. The girl don find the money bring am come out now. They give the boy. You no know say the boy do pan. The boy run now. Nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. The boy don run. So now the girl come be say make I bring the matter come. My people, make dem still talk small thing for this matter. Make dem still keep comment. Make dem still keep their contribution. Wetin dem think about this video. Wetin this sister now, wetin she suppose to do now? Make she leave everything for God, or make she go report? If you go report to police, I don't really know that police go do anything because receipt no dey make they give the boy money. Receipt no really dey. So my people, wetin this my sister just need now, na just wetin she go do. As in, she needs little advice for you people. She need just little advice for una. Make una advise her, make una tell her wetin she go, as in the next step make she go take. You know say no really easy, my people, e no really easy to just give man just 10,000 euros. The man you talk say, I bring the money come 10,000 euro. We take do marriage inside, rent house because the girl na Italy she dey stay. Rent house, na to rent house for Italy no be real small money, no be small money. No be my mind. If you no get like in 2005 or 2000 plus, you no go fit rent house for Italy because why? Once you rent house for Italy, you will need to deposit money. Everybody know now, you deposit money for consure. In France, say they call am consure. Consure means maybe for example, say the house rent now 500 euros now. The house rent na 500 euros now. You need to pay extra 500 euros. Some people they collect two deposit 500 euro, which is 1,000 euro for deposit down. The case maybe if anything spoil for the house, the person won't come out, they can't use that 1,000 euro to repair the things may spoil for the house. So some people say they take one deposit. Some people may they take one deposit. Now many past people may they take two deposit. So this girl, this my sister, so now she really need advice. She really need una opinion. She really needs una contribution. Now this sister now she dey cry. She really feel pain. But me actually I really quarrel with her. Say why you go do that? Why you go do that kind of thing? Just they say the man they tell her say the woman even say if the man they jogo door and go they talk say oh baby don't worry, if I did not get married to you, I will not be nobody. If I did not get married to you, I will not get myself. If I did not get married to you, I will be sick. You know, the girl, the boy, they really use the man, they talk rubbish. They begin to use the man, they talk nonsense. They begin to use the man now, they put problem for himself. They begin to use the man, they put problem for himself. No, this is my sister, no. She they begin cry. How you up now? She still say she does see better man, solid quality man that matters. It is saying does say, no say the man no one complain for one monkey, he just I be like a monkey walk, babo chop, something like that. Now I ask us, how you take give this your boyfriend, this your so-called boyfriend money? He say he can't begin give him 2,000, 1,000. Like say they give him. Say the boy say, hey, they bring money for this thing. Make they begin they buy all those wedding cloth down. What be small matter? Even the boy even buy wedding clothes. The girl self even see the wedding clothes. The girl was happy. She was thinking that, oh, I want your marriage. So she don't know, say the boy they even they prepare marriage for him with another woman. Say no be even this girl. As if by the wedding gown come, then the girl come say, you know, say now medium in the wear, you go buy hairs come. Then the boy come say, now hairs you dey, now medium you dey wear. It isn't na hair so. Not knowing say, the boy girlfriend make you all take serious, say you want marry. That girl na hairs she dey wear. Now see, my people now see. Okay, Nana, wetin me wan come try talk now, Nana. Boys make dey shop money, make dey shop women money. Make una beg. Abeg, if una say make I lay down for una, feel lay down for una. Make una abeg, make una no do am again. If person do una sister like that, no go like am. I know say the girl don already fought up for one side, say make she come go, she come dey give you the money for no reason. I know say she fought up for one side, of which she reason na say you be your husband, you na you be the rightful man to her. And make she risk am, they give you that money. You understand? So as you know, say you no go marry am, no just put am in a high jump, say you come dey think say, oh, you be husband. You come dey think, you go over dey happy, say, hey, he don see husband. You understand? We don't let am put hope. For you let am know say, you just dey do things with am, just business. So the girl go understand. He no go put hope for you. Go begin find man, make go love am the way he is, or the way he take dey. She go begin find man, may love am. No be say you promise am finish now. At the end now, you disappoint am. Oh God, this girl now, she dey feel bad, she feel pain. The way we dey talk, so 3 days now, she never feel get up. She never still get up. She never still. Now this is friends now come call me say abeg, make I since I dey do, I be YouTube presenter, I be YouTube I dey talk show for my YouTube. Make I bring this matter come, make I finalize am, make I analyze am, so that when my people for make me fertilize am. Now it's okay, no problem. I go bring am come, make they still talk both, make people still comment, but make them like, make them still keep their opinion. This message be say now, you see say man still talk am, so that make I talk am, people may see they say they catch them mugu. Say no worry, bring this kind of money come, no worry, we'll do marriage. Before man open mouth say bring this kind of money come, you know say that man no love you. He no love you and he no want settle down with you. Never. He no love you. Man may love woman. That kind of place say una one man after marry for una start born. Wetin the first of all, wetin the boy was first talk say, okay, how much you don't get? He don't get so money. Yes. He don't get so money. He don't get so money. Okay, how much you don't still get? Then the girl come talk to you. You know say that man really love that girl. They want to settle down. They want to start life to the do. They want to start to the do things like marriage, like husband and wife. No be say man go just see you today. If you know say man marry you, go and bring 10,000 euro for me before I will marry. You don't there. You don't want to give me the money. No. You don't want to give me the money. You want to bring the money so I will buy with the gun. We rent house. We will do this. We will arrange the things that we used to do marriage. No, the boy when you the play, you know those things you will need to. They talk me. Will they believe on me? Will they give on the money? That's how it be. So now, my people, my country people, I beg, make una help me share this video. Make una help me share this video as una fit tell me share am. Make una help me share this video. Una let this video go viral. Una let people may never still hear about this matter. Una let them hear. So that they say if some people just sit there, they may don't want to say fun victim. Make they not go fun victim because the fun victim not go good. Una try, una learn for this message so make I bring comments. Make una try, make una learn. No be only men dey shop women money o. I just na the both side now come today. I can't give advice and I can't see bring matter come and make some people may never hear, make they still hear. They'll still learn for this video. No be only boy dey shop woman money o. No be only boy dey shop woman money. Girls still dey shop women money, men money. For those of all those girls me dey me see dey shop women money. They say na my sugar daddy, na my this. Na my money making machine. If I just call her now, you go say go give me money. No, if you know say you no want marry man, no hate the money, no hate the man money. No try am. But you know why they talk am? If you hate that man money, you dey promise am say you marry am. The man say they put hope for you, say he don see your wife. The man begin dey give you money. The man begin dey give you anything you ask. The man begin give you, say okay, because say he want marry you. Anything you ask, he go dey give you, you know. So don't take that man as granted. Say, now it be your money making machine. Say every minute you dey call am. I need this. I want to buy this. I want to buy this Brazilian hair. Make the rain so. I want to buy this expensive cloth. Make the rain. No, you don't need to do that, because if you dey do all those things, one day be one day. They say fowl monkey go market, monkey no go come back home. Monkey go market, monkey no go come back home. Because you don't know how you come be tomorrow. You know, say the way my life could be this morning, like say go be the night. No, they say they can change a man. You know, some things on your plan now, the man go come no say you don't want to marry. Another thing you fit come play like that. Another thing you fit come play like say you want to change. My people, my country people, make una beg. Make una beg. I dey beg una. Make una beg. Una stop. Both men, both women. If you know say you don't want marry the man, you don't want marry the woman, no enter. Even though na feel friend each other, una know say na friend. You don't want marry am. You don't want marry you don't want marry the second one. Make una do things. Make una do na things. Una do na things finish. You know when una move. Quarrel no dey. Trouble no dey. Yanga no dey. Problem no go dey tomorrow. Say una come see each other for road. Una come say that boy, he chop my money o. I go make am do this. I go make am do that. Many talk when they come out from many corner. If you know say you don't want marry woman, if you know say you don't want marry a man, no chop your money. Don't chop your money. I no promise am marry say I go marry you because say the money may they come out. They use as the money they entice you. You want to use the money to do better thing. You no say that kind of money. Don't they use and they do better thing? No. Don't they use and they do better thing? I don't see a lot of men may don't do that kind of stuff. They know they get any. They know what they use the money they do. They know what they use the money they do. Because why? They say wetin you no strong go put. You get you take spend the money go as in you go use that anyhow because you no suffer put. You no do like this. You no see sweat. You no see sweat. You no sweat put. You no sweat. That make am if you dey use that kind of money now. No. I don't finish because you don't know the way it is. You don't suffer put. Just like my husband give me money for year. Or you shop my year, use my year. Because I no work on. If my husband want shop, you go know the way we want to economize. You know the way we want to use them because now you suffer put. Now you know the way to see them. Just be like me. I dey do business. If they pay me for my business more, and I know the way I take they use them, I could use and take buy better thing on the sea. If I don't use and take buy better thing for myself, I use and take buy better thing for my children. If I use and take buy something for my children finish, I'll they see them. They say we are or they say put anything waiting on the spoil. They see if I see something for that body, I'll they like and say, thank God I use this money to buy this. You know the way you take use and take spend down. Take spend down. That's what I tell you. Not they depend on man. Not depend on man. Depend on yourself. Work hard. Serious. They work. You start say God go hear your prayer one day. You start say God, all those situations, those thinking me they think. If you dey hard working, you dey work. Anywhere money dey pursue as fast and genuine way. You start say God will begin to bless you. God will begin to bless you. You no wan work, you sit down for one place, dey wait for monkey go work bamboo. You maybe bamboo come shop. E no good. Our youth, our women, our men, make una time don reach now, make una stand up, make una dey work. So that man no go come out tomorrow say this woman don chop my money, he eat my money, he like so he dupe me, he say he wan marry me, no come marry me, he chop my money. The mama will still come say, hey, this woman na bad woman, this girl na bad girl, he promised me money, he promised me marriage, he no come marry me again. All those things no go dey. All those talk no go dey. No, you just be like say you just dey in peaceful way, you just dey waka dey go. How your life will dey sweet for you? Because problem no dey. Problem no dey dey. Let me calm. I too go love the way I be. I too go love myself. If everybody go be like the way I take dey, this life for no dey hurt people. Just depend on only yourself. They work. You start say any work wey you online make, any online business make, if you know say you no fit still do that one, they see business wey you fit, you go dey by yourself dey do am. You go dey by yourself dey do that business. Many business dey. You fit dey send them make dem buy ogbono come for you for Nigeria. They tie am small, €5, €20. Before you know, maybe wetin you buy €50, you sell am €70, €20 never come out for inside. E don come out. For there, you dey gather your money small. You no go hungry. You no go depend on man. You no go depend on woman. If na men, many black work dey. If you never get that level, make dem say dey work. Black work dey dey for you. Go look for black work. They do. You start say you dey see your money in a genuine way, in a good way, without saying you no get fear, without saying you no go vex, say, oh God, where I for see money? Okay, I need to dip this girl money. I need to do this boy money. No, life is not like that. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that, because if you do that, God no dey happy for you. God no dey happy for you. God go dey see you, go dey vex. God go dey see you alone, go dey vex, go dey angry, go say, no, person make I die for now they do this kind of thing so. Person make I die for now they do this kind of thing so. As in God go feel sad, no go happy for you. He no go happy for you, la. He no go happy for you, my brother, my sister. Abeg, who never see this message, who never hear, make he hear. Make he hear. Me, I know they talk my own in a harsh way. Centro must stop. No, I know they talk about Centro. I just they come advise people say make una stop chop me money. Make me stop chop women money. That's why I come talk am. So my people now understand what I talk so. Make una dey in genuine way. Make una dey in genuine way. So that everything go dey smooth way. So that you no go regret why God create you on this life. You know, some people go all do this life. They don't reason and say anyhow they see life, the one you're doing. No, how many years can remain? How many go spend? No, now you get long age pass. You may think and say life don't tire, life don't finish. How many years you can get not to live? Now you get long life pass. If you don't know me, you know now. If you don't know, Angela, they tell you, Angela, Glory TV, now they tell you now, say, now you go long pass, now you go stay long pass. So, like so it be, my beautiful people, my country people. Make una share this video. As you do so, God bless you all. So today, I want to talk about, oh my God, my people, not too much. You all are darling to me. I don't know the way I will appreciate you all. God will bless you all for me. God will bless you all for me. 100 times. 100 times. As I did, I don't know it. I'll ask, I want to thank una. Una make me from 0 to 1K plus. For 1K plus to 0 to 1 shower to 4,000 watt shower. No, they don't monetize me. Thank you all. Thank you so much. And my power, if not na power, I no dey this placement day today. I no go dey. I no go dey. So abeg, the one that still dey support, make una no leave me for junction. Make una no leave me aside. Anything I see upload, make una still try. Make una still click am, una lis ten to wetin I wan talk. Make una press that notification bell so that anytime I upload anything video, you go be the number one to notify. As you dey do so, follow me. God will continue to dey bless you abundantly. The way you no take expect, na God take dey shortalize you. Na God take dey surprise you in a miracle way. As you say, this miracle is too much. God go dey shortalize you anyhow, go dey blast with shortalization. Guys, thank you so much, guys. I so much appreciate you all. You all, hi darling. I love you all. So I want to cut off my live video now. Not live video. I want to cut off my video now. If you have anything I want to help you to talk about in my YouTube channel, can you message me? You know my Facebook name. You also know my YouTube channel name. Message me anywhere you want to message me. Message me anywhere you want to message me. Then I will talk about any topic you want me to talk, anything you want me to talk about in my YouTube channel, in my talk show. Then I will come on live and do it for you. I remain your girl, Angela Glory TV. Thank you for supporting me once again. I so much appreciate you all, and I so much love you all. You all, hi darling. I just want to say I want to go now. I love you all, and stay safe, stay blessed. Keep your ear down. Anytime I do makan, try me listen now. I do onto anything I fit do. Sorry guys, let me call you. Some people they tell me say, Angela, what you they do for your YouTube channel? Now I want to come and present myself, what I do in my YouTube channel. Guys, I do a lot of things in my YouTube channel. If I cook the food sweet well, or I cook, I feel like video and put on my YouTube channel. It's my YouTube channel. I do a lot of things in my YouTube channel. Yeah, I do a lot of things in my YouTube channel. I can cook, upload it on my YouTube channel. I can also dance, upload it in my YouTube channel. I can take my children in the guiding. They will see the view everywhere. They will play in the guiding, joke. I can upload it, put it in my channel. Just like I don't have time to do all those things. And if I also have time to do it, I will do it and put it in my YouTube channel. I do all things. I do all things in my YouTube channel. For those of you that see that thing, oh sure she did. She go put food today. She go put talk show tomorrow. She go do show next tomorrow. I do what I do best. I do for my YouTube channel. What I do best, I put it in my YouTube channel. It's my YouTube channel. It's not yours. It's my YouTube channel, and I do a lot of things in my YouTube channel. Anything I do best, I put it in my YouTube channel. So don't let the thing come dey make like say it dey confuse you, say you don't know what I do. Now me now Angela, me may get channel now come dey tell you now say see what I do for my YouTube channel. I do a lot of things in my YouTube channel. So you no need to come be like say you confused. I don't know the one I dey. I know what I dey. I know the one I dey. If na joke I just see, if na comedy I just see today, the comedy I like to do, I'll put on my YouTube channel. If na dance I like to dance today, I'll just see dance, put on for my YouTube channel. If na how to diet, as I tell lose weight, I want just put on for my YouTube channel, just upload and put for there. That's how it be. That's how it be. So anything I like, anything I want to put on my YouTube channel, I'm free to put it on my YouTube channel, because my YouTube channel is all about I do all the things I do best, put it on my channel. So guys, so now I hope I don't understand what I put for my YouTube channel. I hope I don't understand what I put for my YouTube channel. I don't understand. I don't know how to go. That's my sister, everybody they talk not to go. So my people, I don't know now. I don't see that's what I put for my YouTube channel. Okay guys. Let me leave you guys for now. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until I cross your way next time. Thank you all once again. I love you all. I just want to say bye bye. Bye bye.